So targeting United States audience in your Twitter is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can target the United States audience. Before that, we firstly have to find out how does the Twitter works. So Twitter works with the, as you guys can see, if you go to the Explorer, you will be able to find the latest trends. These are according to our country. So you just need to download any of the VPN, and in the VPN, you have to select the United States country. You can Google it. There are several free VPNs that you can use. Now, after turning on the VPN, you just have to go to your obviously Twitter, and you need to start posting. So whenever you will be posting, you need to make sure that your VPN for the United States is connected, and then what it will do is the status that you will post will be published in United States regions, and it totally depends upon the interaction as well. So if you get a lot of interactions in your post, it will be moved forward as much as your post is being liked. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can specifically target United States audience in Twitter. Hope you guys found this video helpful.